Hello sir, my name is Rita Khan. Currently I am doing Bachelor of Engineering from BGC in IT field. As a part of our subject, one task is given to take an interview of a good person who is having done good, good position in a company. So tell me something about yourself.
Okay. I'm Jayesh Khan. I'll start with my academic background first. As a part of my bachelor degree, I've done BPharm, that is Bachelor of Pharmacy from LG Institute of Pharmacy, Gujarat University. I passed out in 2008, and after completing BPharm, I thought to join MBA Pharmaceutical. I completed my MBA Pharmaceutical from Gujarat University. After completing my MBA, I joined as my first job. I joined GVT EMRI 10. You must be knowing about the 10 ambulance services. The ambulance services, they are the emergency care provider. In case of an emergency situation like medical services, like police services, like fire services. Basically, I was at that time I was looking after the procurement part, the purchase. There was a central division of a purchase department, and I was looking after the procurement of medical, non-medical items for the requirement of all over Gujarat. All the ambulances. There are about 550 ambulances in all over the Gujarat. So then I have worked for at least for 4.5 years for GVT EMRI 10. Recently, I have left that organization. The only reason was the growth perspective. After leaving GVT EMRI 10, I joined Claris Pharmaceuticals. Currently, I am working in a senior executive position in an import purchase part. I am looking after the import procurement, the purchase from outside the country. And I just joined the organization, and it's just a 1.5 month. So that is all about me.
Can you please tell me about your future plans?
Future plans, I think for the person who is working in a company in a managerial position, I think the only idea that is in his mind is growing with a company, growing with a company's growth, and being in a good position, in a good managerial position, like the higher side of the higher. That is the only thing I'm thinking right now.
Who is your idol?
My idol, as per the current scenario, almost all the youth, all the young people has one person in their mind. That is, of course, Mr. Narendra Modi, our Chief Minister. So my idol is Narendra Modi. The best thing about Narendra Modi that I like is he keeps on doing the things. He keeps on doing the things in a better way, in a good manner, like giving a full justice to the work he do, and that is the best part. I think he is more focused on the development part, development of a country part. That is the best thing, I think, and that is why he is my idol.
Okay. Any message to the student for getting a success?
I think, as I said in my previous question, the best thing for getting a success is like you keep on doing the things. You start with your the lowermost position in any organization, in any field that you choose. That is your interest. You start with any position. At the base position, you get a good experience. On the basis of the the good experience only, you will get a good success. That is all.
Thank you, sir.